Why not lean into the audience? Why not lean into it? So now you're leaning into women and you're saying, okay, if women are the ones coming to my page, what else can I do? What can I do with the colors? What can I do with the fonts? What can I do with the thumbnails? What can I do with the CTA button? How can I also, here's one more thing I'll say. The colors have to match. Guys don't care much about this. Look. Yeah, I think I said it right. Yeah, actually, I just said it right. Guys don't care much about this. They just don't. Women care a lot more about aesthetic than men do. So lean into it. When you're dealing with a male audience, you could have a really garbage looking page and you can still make a lot of sales. With women, you really got to have something that has an emotional aesthetic to it. So we're going to go back. We're going to talk about some of these interests, and we're going to talk about how they come into play. So we've talked about the gender interests, okay, men and women, and you're starting to understand that's the first change you're going to make to the funnel. But now you're going to make other changes. Okay, now, first of all, by the way, you could literally just create a funnel in another language. I'm just letting you know. That would be an example. But when you talk about bridge marketing, okay, the interest that you type in here, and by the way, let's see if, is it Marie Forleo? Yeah. So look, Marie Forleo. So we go people age 35 to 65 in the big five. Marie Forleo, look at this, 4 million person audience size. To this right here, to this person. She's been in the game a long time, and she's got a big, I almost remember the other girl's name. It started with an S. I really wanted to show you the other one because I thought it was even better. God, I almost just thought of her name too. It's another Marie Forleo. Yeah, I can't. I'm gonna get off of it. I hate when my mind plays tricks on me. So in this example, we can target people who like Marie Forleo. So now we understand people that like Marie Forleo like this. So if we created a video funnel for Internet Income System that had a look and aesthetic like this, and we targeted women that were interested in Marie Forleo, do you at least agree that we could increase conversions off of this?